Welcome to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I'm going to talk about English grammar series, lecture number 4, noun number 9. Before this video, I have uploaded 3 lectures which contain kinds of noun. And today's video, I'm going to talk about countable noun. What is countable noun? Those nouns which are possible to count is called countable noun. It has 2 forms, singular and plural. Indefinite article a or n is used before singular countable nouns. Look at these examples. Singular, plural. Before singular noun we use article a or n. Here I say a book, and here with plural we don't use, before the plural nouns we don't use article a or n. So we may say books, here we say a chair, and here we say chairs. Here we say an actor and we say actors, and here we say an apple, here we say apples. Next noun we have, a noun can be countable or uncountable. Let's take example. For example, if I want to talk about a single cake, for example this is a single cake, so it will be considered uncountable noun. But if I want to talk about more than one cake, like for example there are, now it is possible to count. For example I say 1, 2, 3, 4. So here these nouns will be considered what? That will be considered countable plural nouns. For example, if you want to talk about a single bread, so it will be considered what? Uncountable. But if you talk about more than one bread, that will be what? That will be considered plural nouns. Now let's talk about the next kinds of noun. Uncountable noun. As we know that un is prefix which means not, and it has another name which is also called non-countable nouns. Those nouns which are not possible to count. It has only a singular form. It has only one form. Indefinite article a or n is not used before uncountable nouns. Examples: water, we can't say waters because it has only one form. Milk, we can't say milks, we can just say only milk. Rice and sugar, etc. Next noun we have noun number 11, gerund noun. A gerund noun is a verb form ending in ing that functions as a noun. Simply we say that base form of verb plus ing function is a noun, we call gerund. Look at this example. I say reading. Read is what? Base form of verb, we add ing. So reading, it is gerund because we combine verb plus ing. So function is a what? Function is a noun. Reading is here what? It's a noun. This is called gerund. Reading is my favorite hobby. Next one, his favorite activity is writing. So write plus ing, that's called gerund. Function is a noun, so this one is called here. Writing is what? Writing is gerund. And if I want to talk about here, she loves singing. So singing is what? Here singing is gerund. Singing is a gerund. So that's it. And next video I'll talk about that noun gender. That's it.